This video will explain how UPI verifies payments. What is UPI? UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI is a system that lets you send and receive money instantly using your mobile phone. You do not need to enter your bank account numbers every time. You only need a UPI ID or scan a QR code. What does payment verification mean? Payment verification means checking and confirming that a money transfer is real, safe, and correct before the money moves from one bank account to another bank account. UPI verifies who is sending the money, who is receiving the money, whether the sender has enough balance, whether the correct UPI PIN is entered. Only after all these checks, the payment is completed. Now we will see step by step how UPI verifies a payment. Step 1 is you start a payment request. You enter UPI ID of the receiver, the amount of the money. This tells the UPI system, I want to send this much of money to this person. Step 2 is UPI checks your bank account link. UPI checks whether your mobile number is linked to your bank account, whether your UPI app is properly connected to your bank. This confirms you are a real bank customer. Step 3 is you enter your UPI PIN. You must enter your UPI PIN. This is your secret password for payments. This step verifies you are the real owner of the bank account. No one else is sending money using your phone. If the UPI PIN is wrong, the payment fails immediately. Step 4 is bank checks your account balance. Your bank checks whether you have enough money, whether the account is active, whether there are no blocks or issues. If balance is not enough, the payment is rejected. Step 5 is receiver's bank is verified. UPI also checks whether the receiver's UPI ID exists, whether their bank account is active. This ensures the money is sent only to the valid person. Step 6 is money is transferred securely. Once all checks are successful, money is debited from your bank and money is credited to the receiver's bank. Both people get a success message. This usually takes a few seconds. Now we will see how UPI keeps payment safe and secure. UPI uses multiple safety layers. UPI PIN to confirm identity, mobile number verification, bank level security checks, encrypted data, which means your information is locked and protected during the transfer. Even if someone knows your UPI ID, they cannot send money without your UPI PIN. Now we will see what happens if verification fails. If any step fails, like wrong UPI PIN, low account balance, network issue, and invalid UPI ID, then the payment is cancelled, your money does not get deducted, you see a payment failed message. The summary is UPI verifies payments by checking your identity, your bank account, your balance, and your secret UPI PIN before moving money safely between banks.